Friends, welcome to my gardening channel growing container. So if you have sick plant like that, so we need to save this plant, otherwise it will die. So what we need to do is we need to repot this in a smaller pot because the health of plant is not good, and this pot retain too much moisture because it is very big. So we are going to plant it in a smaller pot. Also I am trying to change the media if possible. If not possible, then I will plant it in the same soil, but if possible, like I can remove more soil, then I will plant it in peat moss, because peat moss will make it is have acidic nature, and it will boost the energy of this plant and it will survive. So let me take this plant out from this pot and then see how the rooting system is doing. So okay, so this plant is out. So here is the rooting system of this plant. These are the roots of grass and these are the roots of rose. So I am going to remove the soil. Try to make it as clean as possible. Okay, these are not the roots of rose, because rose roots are usually black. So what I am thinking is, because this plant is very weak, so I am not going to remove all the soil. So I will take the soil and replant it in a smaller pot. You see, otherwise this plant get in too much shock. So let's replant it in a new soil and new pot, the smaller one, then I will show you. Okay, so I am going to plant this in peat moss. So I remove some more soil because it was very hard, but I am not going to remove all of them because nowadays weather is quite harsh and hot. So that's why I keep some soil with the roots. And now put the soil back in the pot and then place it like that. Let me place it correctly, then I will show you. Okay, so I place it in the center and now I am putting the peat moss. This is peat moss and compost mixture. Yeah, about 60% compost and 40% peat moss, but you can use 50% ratio as well. Peat moss have acidic nature, so rose plant love this soil and grow very well. So like that you can put all the soil back like that. I keep it little bit up so it won't get any dieback. Okay, so this plant is now ready. Now I will give it some water. Okay, let's give it some deep water so roots get established in this new soil. And now I will place this in a shady place for near about, you can see, a week. Then I will move this pot to the full sun area. So here is the video. I will keep you updated about this plant. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.